Welcome to all. In this video, we'll be seeing about Type 9 keypad, or we also call it T9 keypad. So it is little different from the normal QWERTY keypad we have. So we'll first show what is QWERTY keypad, and then we'll give a detailed review of the Type 9 keypad. So firstly, like whenever what we are typing, what we do, this simple kind of the keypad we have, whether it is iPhone or an Android. So by like using the two fingers or one fingers, we write same like what are you doing or something else like each of the word, each of the character we need to type and then we need to enter. So it takes so much time. But if suppose you are good in English, you can write in a shortcut way. So what you can do, you can use the Type 9 keypad. So this is how the Type 9 keypad looks. So there are only 9 keys. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 9 keys. On the by using that 9 keys, you can write whatever you want to write in the English language. So we'll see the difference, how it works. For example, this upside this particular the text is written same. If suppose we are writing as like add to heart sale at shopper stops is now it is taking so much time. Now we'll use the Type 9 keypad and see how fast we are able to write. So first is there add to, just a minute, add to heart sale at uh, sale at the shopper stops will skip and then is now live get uh, get up to of SPECIAL special. So like each and everything you can write very fast. So like anything also you want to write, for example, once upon a time there was a lion, and then entire story you can write very fast. If suppose same you are to write by the normal QWERTY keypad, it will take so much time. So now we have learned this, and so what we will do now, we'll see how this exactly works. For example, you are writing that what are you doing. So here what we do, each of the character we press like WHAAREYOUDOING. This many keys we have pressed. But if suppose we are using Type 9 keypad, what we need to do, if suppose W is there, W we need to press one time, then H is there. The key on which H is there, just press one time. Then where A is there, just press one time. Then where T is there, that also press one time. So we pressed WHAT, same way R we will do. So R is here, ARE, then wherever the Y is there, then O is there, U is there. So one time we'll press YOUDOING. So very fast we are able to type in that way. Or simply we can write like I am recording a video uh, through uh, through my iPhone 11. So yeah, so see 11 also you can write here by the keys. Then like it is very simple, and sometimes what happens, like you might you do not know the meaning, so the meaning will be shown as upside here in the like these different meanings will be there, similar meanings. For example, you are writing R. Okay, so the R is coming here, but other possible combinations, permutations, and the combinations are also written. Like instead of this, you want to write this RCAC, or for example, moon is there, moon. So moon by the same key combinations, you can write noon also. Moonlight is another suggestion. Then like WHAT what, instead of these are the other words as well. For by pressing the same combinations, you can write or EIGHT. Instead of 8, by same key combinations, you can write fight also, digit also, or some other words as well. So all the possible combinations will be shown. But the combinations which is like you'll be able to see in your message box where you are writing, that will be the suggestion which is you are mostly going to select or which is most obvious. For example, we are writing EIGST, but like mostly we see whenever we are writing or whenever we are speaking, the eight word we are using more than the digit word or the five word. So the eight word is coming as a suggestion. But what you are doing is that instead of writing eight, you are more time writing the fight word, then it will be showing fight instead of eight. The suggestion will come as fight. So in another video, I'll be showing that how to put some other words which are not in this. That also I'll be showing. But here we are having the basic introduction only. So for example, something else also we can write like the current is presently not available available at my place. So if suppose you are writing emails by your mobile, then it is very like very useful. Or it's like all friend in your community are speaking English only. Then if suppose you are writing in English language only, you can use this keypad. It is very useful. Whatever you want to write in English, you can write very fast. This is like earlier it was available in Hindi also for Android, but now it is not available. And other international languages are also there, some of that. For that also it is available. So now we'll see how we'll get this keypad and what is the cost of it. So this keypad, what you need to do, simply go to the app store or simply write, now we'll write by this keypad only, type type 9. So see, instead of nine, I mostly use the word mine. It is my personal preference. So it is showing mine as a like a by default selected word. But by clicking here, I can use the nine, mind, MIME, OINE, something else. But I'll select nine. So it has shown the suggestion. So this is the keypad in the iPhone. So I have already downloaded, I have already purchased it. So I have it. So like if suppose you are taking it first time, it will ask for authentication and that all things. And this app is like it is not freely available. But since I have purchased it, so it is not showing that the price of the this particular app. But I'll show on the Google what is the price of this particular app. So this app, if suppose your first time opening there, it will ask you to pay 349 rupees, and it is one time payment. Once you pay for your lifetime, you can use it for your Apple ID. It will always be with you. Even if suppose you are changing your iPhones multiple time, change like upgrading, downgrading, whatever you are doing, it will always be with you. So one time payment, you can always use it with. So now I'll show how the app looks inside. So it is like the different interface it provides. So simply like uh, this is I have selected this particular color, but there are so many beautiful colors available. For example, if suppose I select this color, and then if suppose I'm typing, see this particular color has come, and instead of that, if suppose this color, so one two three, many colors are available. So any of the color which you like, you can use it, and you can even change it multiple times. And there is a tutorial available that how to use this particular keypad. So the it is like so many advanced ways are there for using this keypad, and you will feel like you're writing by your laptop only. So that how to use this, I will be showing in detail in some other videos. So and these are the different languages in which also it is available. So Hindi language is not there, but mostly the most of the popular languages are available uh, with this particular keypad, and I'm using it for more than 2 years, and it is like I'm so much addicted with this particular keypad. So for example, anything whatever we write, like anything whatever we write, everything like you can write very fast by this particular keypad. So that's all for this video. Thank you to you all.